Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, January 12th, and today it's interesting where we're at with Ethereum in the light of the massive drop we had recently. We did drop almost 32%, and now we're all the way back up to 15%. So we almost recovered halfway through that drop. Now there's the first leg up. Obviously, it can continue keep on going down, but looks like it did find the bottom here at the 900 for support. We were being pushed down the whole time here, all the way down, massive red bearish candles, and a lot of indecisiveness here in the market. Did we find this is the bottom or no? We tried to push up, didn't work, got closed below the 55 EMA, and you see the bearish sentiment right after that. After that wick, boom, another 4 hours of continuous bearish movement. Found support at the 100 EMA on a 4 hour. Indecisiveness in the market, the scandal. Wicks to the bottom and to the top side, and then we closed, and the body's very, very tight, showing that the market doesn't know if this is actually the bottom or no, but looks like more buyers are willing to come in at that price. So we did. Nice green bullish candle, rejection at the 55 EMA, but looked like we did have a lot of momentum here, especially with the volume. If you look back here at the volume is similar to what we had here back in the day in terms of a breakout. And now also this volume is almost equal to the previous volume, which was bearish. And now, so we're seeing those signs of the reversal coming in, of more buying stepping into the market after having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars there for volume where it was fully bearish. So now looks like we did find that support on 100 EMA. We did push up to the 1,150, I would say. We had the first leg up. So if I go to the 3 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour right here. MACD is showing signs that we want to continue moving downwards. I don't think this is going to be long-lived. We're not going to be in the bottom here for a while. I think we had our, massive retracement here, and now it's going to spend a little less time here on the bottom side, preparing for this next leg up. Stochastic RSI and the RSI itself is already having those higher lows. I love looking at the RSI here and seeing those higher lows as the price moves sideways or downwards. Your RSI is showing signs that it is trying to go up. Let me just correct this here quick. So yeah, volume's going sideways or down. RSI is ticking up as we move. That's good. So looks like here volume definitely started to pick up. We're having nice volume bars here on the bottom, and looks like we are trying to make a higher low. Now, clearly on the 1 hour, we were getting rejected by the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA as we go down, and not until recently we did actually break above it, and which drove us all the way up to here to the 100 EMA. We got rejected at that, and now we're going back here. So is it bullish or bearish? Are we actually fully recovering or no? Looks like we are attempting to do that, and I think we might end up having this inverted head and shoulders right now. But looks like we will also just get stuck in this ascending triangle after a breakdown. But I think people are accumulating right now. We're seeing that movement of buyers trying to come back in. So let's see. We need to see what happens here. That's why I drew this box over here. That's where all the EMAs are going to be at for most of the time as we go up. I wouldn't want to trade this unless I see some sort of a crazy breakout happen. But looks like we are attempting to make an ascending triangle. So just to summarize what an ascending triangle is, we go down, push back up, hit a ceiling that we previously hit. Now when we come back down again, buyers aren't waiting as long as they waited for the first one. They come in at higher prices, and they come in at higher prices, while the sellers are only staying at the same level, meaning that buyers are gaining. Buyers are gaining more power as we go in. We're gaining more buyers as we go in. It's the correct term here. Showing us that there's more interest in buying this as opposed to selling it, right? So definitely is going to be a lot of volatility here. we just could break out, then come back to retest and continue our movement upwards. It also depends what Bitcoin does. It drives the whole market. But just technically speaking, now, if we're just trying to summarize it, we are, our ceiling, this ceiling is at 14% now, as opposed to this whole drop. So it looks like we are recovering halfway through. So there are signs. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens at this moment here. I think we're more bullish right now, but it could just be a drop right after that. So if we're being objective, more buys are coming in. We're gonna have higher lows after this. 50% of the recovery has been recovered. We're seeing here on bigger time frames that we are trying to go up. MACD's trying to go up. Doesn't want to spend too much time here on the bottom side. We did find the support on the 100 EMA on the 4-hour, and the stochastic RSI and the actual RSI is doing higher lows. So there are good signs out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Let me know if I missed anything, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.